Welcome co-creators. This is about your Rewire Desire Coach, and today I want to speak about the importance of desire. Okay, I know there's a lot of controversy around the idea of desire, and people say, oh no, you shouldn't have any desires, like desire is a bad thing. Actually, desire in itself is the seed of creation, so of course it can't be a bad thing, right? Because from desire, first we have a desire and then comes something else, right? We have a desire for a baby, so we go and then we produce a baby, and without the desire, and it's, you know, of course it can happen anyway, but you know what I mean, like actually it's not a bad thing to have had a desire to have a baby and then have a baby. The problem is when we're feeding lower desires as opposed to higher desires. So that's something for us to work out, whether actually this desire is progressive and beneficial, or whether this desire is keeping us stuck in an energetic an energy that goes against where we're desiring to go. So I just want you to think about that. When you're thinking about your desires, think about, actually, does this desire take me to the next level? Does this desire embrace all that I am? Or is this desire a desire that is keeping me stuck? That's number one, okay? And number two, I want you to actually also understand that when we have desires, if we don't do anything with them and we hold on to them, that's when they also become stuck in our system and create disease, okay? So a desire is supposed to come up and it's supposed to pass. That's why I also think that there's times when actually, if for instance I might desire something outside of my norm that I would normally deem to be not very good for me health-wise, but instead of sitting there thinking I'm not going to have it, I'm not going to have it, I'm not going to have it, which actually would hurt me more, I'll give it to myself to move it out of the way, okay? Because what you don't want to do is get stuck in an idea and not being able to have it either. So there's two things today. First, ask yourself, is it a lower or higher desire? And secondly, if you have a desire, you know, look to move it on, okay? So you're not getting stuck in your desire. Okay, I hope you like this video today, and I look forward to seeing you in the next. Please like, share, subscribe. Thank you.
Remember to like, share, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye for now.